Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. On today's video, we'll be tackling my sunroom, making it into an office just in case. I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. My name is Atoya. I am a wife, daughter, mother, and all the things. I'm a working wife and all those things. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and get all the cleaning motivation and decluttering that you need.
With the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is secret? Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through? You see through. Gotta make space for the new you, like I'm old news in your rearview mirror. It must be nice you went and got a penthouse. All your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest. Still a baby bird right straight out the nest like you. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. Home. You said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't. How can I believe you when everything is see-through?
How can I believe
Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. Everything is see-through. How can I believe when everything is see-through?
You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, yeah. You ain't gotta be so see-through.
While we get into this cleaning, let me go ahead and introduce myself. My name is Atoya. I'm a wife and mama. On this channel, you get cleaning lifestyle, DIY inspiration, and all those things. I really hope y'all enjoy our vibe enough to subscribe by clicking the red button down below and turning it from red to gray to join our wonderful family. Don't forget to ring that bell or ring a ding ding, and make sure to get the parentheses on the side to make sure that you get all our notifications for our new uploads.
He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody. Born to live in luxury. La 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 la.
my battery's dying, so I'm gonna go ahead and take care of this real quick and just put it down. When we come back, we can get to the cleaning part.
Different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go?
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm, and you're through the grave.
My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that. Keep clocking all my hours, I told you that. Work now, play later. But you keep going off on me. Keep texting like it's all on me. Yeah, you're all in my head like you're my forever, not for right now. My day one, you hold me down. Hard cold like the wintertime. Fight for your love, can't slow me down. Don't go far. I take me and you over living large. Know I'll be there wherever you are. Cause you shine bright like a shooting star.
Everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal.
For as always, I thank y'all so much for being here and being a part of this journey. Grieving while cleaning is the series. I'm still cleaning, but I'm still grieving. And so I really appreciate y'all being here and enjoying the music and enjoying the video. As always, for we are the family that love life and having fun and giving you all the motivation and the inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. Thank you for spending your precious time with us, because time is so precious. And we will see y'all on the tube. Y'all be blessed. There's some pictures and video of what has happened. Well, what it looks like. Thank y'all for being here. See y'all later. Peace out, y'all.
What is troubling